We are looking at how to pronounce these. Last name, surname of Spanish or, more precisely, Basque origin. How do you say it? Jauregui, Jauregui. Or in English you can say Jauregui, Jauregui. We are looking at how to pronounce these. Last name, surname of Spanish or, more precisely, Basque origin. How do you say it? Jauregui, Jauregui. Or in English you can say Jauregui, Jauregui. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.